3, 2, 1.
Man is standing in the middle of street skating another man. What happens next? The answer is B, is in street with him and are skating together. When was the Variation of Animals and Plants Under Domestication by Charles Darwin published? The answer is B, 1868. When was the scooter on Neptune observed? The answer is D, 1989. What caused the narrator to be in this state? The answer is A, they stayed out too long during a hot day. When was Alin Business School founded? The answer is A, 1917. The human circadian system is entrained to how many hours light-dark pattern? The answer is B, 24. What may be a plausible fact about the man I am describing? The answer is D, I have a crush on him. In what year did the papacy return to Rome? The answer is D, 1378. What may be the reason for this message? The answer is C, to leave a review. Into how many languages was Cesar Beccaриa's Crimes and Punishments 1764 translated? The answer is B, 22. Where might the people in question be? The answer is C, college. What year did the Cubs hire GM Dallas Green? The answer is C, 1981. Which of the following is an example of a detritivore? The answer is D, fungus. When was the FIS founded? The answer is D, 1989. How many municipalities is Portugal divided into? The answer is D, 308. We see two men hug after the match. A host in a white suit narrates. We see a cameraman right behind the table a person. What happens next? The answer is C, walks in front of the camera. Torrance found temperature to be a significant factor for toolkits in what year? The answer is B, 2005. What may I be doing this June? The answer is C, going on vacation. To my Scarlet, you can. How would you do this? The answer is A, use a food processor. Digita Movie Editor, how would you do this? The answer is A. Marks up Baroque paintings for viewing. In what year were big changes made to the ANSI? The answer is D. 1960. How many players from each team usually make up a rugby union scrum? The answer is A. 8. How do you decorate a cardboard box with pretty fabric? How would you do this? The answer is A. Glue fabric on a box. Why did he have the best damn little sister? The answer is B. She did a lot of cool things. Make an indoor slide for the kids. How would you do this? The answer is A. Lay out cardboard from a large box on the floor. In what year did Popper publish Science, Religion, and the Future? The answer is A. 1943. In what year did Manchester City win its first league title? The answer is B. 1933. The FAPL is owned by how many chief executives? The answer is A. 20. What kind of animal is Fred likely to be? The answer is D. A bird. What may be the reason why they take a lot of walks? The answer is D. To clear their head. In the fall, DST means 1 hour is repeated, which means the day is actually how many hours long? The answer is B. 25. What country gave us the fashionable headgear called the beret? The answer is D. France. How many hospitals belong to the Medical Center group of organizations? The answer is B. 13. How many stars are there on the Australian flag? The answer is D. 6. How many stories tall will each of the 3 proposed towers be? The answer is C. 23. What clothing item may I be currently looking at?
The answer is D. Shoes.
In what year did Langage Power Station come online? The answer is D. 2009. What will happen after Laura drops them off? The answer is B. Laura will try to make it home. Who did the narrator spend time with all day? The answer is B. It was their friend Aaron. Why is the woman working so hard on this fabric? The answer is A. It is for a friend's upcoming marriage. What gender is Alex most likely to be? The answer is C. Male. The Arab Revolt began in what year? The answer is B. 1916. How is this person feeling about themselves? The answer is C. The person is self-judgmental. How much would these postcards cost to individually produce? The answer is C. 50 cents. To tell if a baked dish is done cooking, how would you do this? The answer is A. Make sure it has turned to golden brown. The leading author and solicitor of the letters page in the Times had how many articles published? The answer is B. 158. When Kobe Bryant of the Lakers played the farewell game of his 20-year NBA career in 2016, what was his score as part of his side's 101-96 win? The answer is A. 60. Why were you jumping up and down? The answer is C. I was extremely excited. What may happen after their father investigates on their own? The answer is C. They will receive closure about the murders. How many seasons out of the last 114 has Everton been in England's top tier?